What if I told you that in 2025, you can earn real money just by typing some text and letting a digital cat do all the hard work? Yes, you type ZebraCat AI edits, and you monetize. Whether it's TikTok Reels, YouTube faceless videos, explainer content, or marketing promos, ZebraCat AI could be your new best friend. What the heck is ZebraCat AI? ZebraCat is an AI-powered video generator that turns text, blog posts, or even stray thoughts into slick, professional videos. It's like having a video editor, scriptwriter, voice actor, and animator locked in your browser, but without the HR complaints. It's aimed at marketers, creators, educators, and side hustlers who want engaging content without hiring a $300 an hour freelancer or stabbing Premiere Pro with frustration. In short, it's for people who want content creation with no camera, no crew, and no coffee-stained hoodies at 3 a.m. But is it affordable or just another SaaS scam? ZebraCat comes with a free plan, yes free, as in zero money down, zero guilt. Then you've got Cat Plan, $39 a month. You get 120 credits, that's 50 minutes of video. Super Cat Plan, $98 a month, 750 credits, up to 300 minutes. Great if you want to flood TikTok and YouTube with videos faster than the algorithm can say shadow ban. Let's be honest, $39 to $98 a month is cheaper than. Also, it's 50% off right now on yearly plan. Hiring one freelance editor. Burning out your laptop with rendering. Or worse, losing your sanity editing in iMovie. And if you're monetizing your videos or using them to drive sales, the ROI is solid. Features breakdown. Using ZebraCat is so easy. Even your tech-averse uncle with 27 unread browser tabs could use it. Here's how it works. 1. Paste your script, blog post, or a one-liner idea. 2. Choose your style, stock footage, AI visuals, or avatars. 3. Add voiceover. Pick from 70+ AI voices or clone your own if you want to hear yourself say things you never actually said. 4. Customize. Fonts, music, captions, logos, brand colors, the whole YouTube influencer starter kit. 5. Click Generate and boom. A video in minutes. Notable features. Text-to-video and blog-to-video automation. Multilingual AI voiceovers. Auto subtitles with styling options. AI visuals and avatars that act like talking heads without asking for lunch breaks. Brand kit tools for businesses. One-click exports in vertical or horizontal formats. Great for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram. And yes, you can even adjust scene pacing, add transitions, swap backgrounds like a mini film studio on autopilot. How to use ZebraCat, a quick walkthrough. Here's a simple guide to becoming a ZebraCat master, or at least mildly competent. 1. Sign up takes 1 minute. No credit card needed. 2. Choose a content type or blog post. Add script, explainer, type or paste it in. 3. Pick your vibe. Want something educational, funny, cinematic, motivational? The AI adapts. 4. Customize. Add your voice, captions, colors, logos. 5. Generate. ZebraCat renders your video like a caffeinated intern on deadline. 6. Edit if needed, tweak music, change clips, add dramatic zooms. 7. Export, download in HD, or post straight to your channel. Then, profit. Sure, you could keep manually editing videos, pulling stock footage from 13 tabs, crying softly into your Adobe subscription. Or you could let an AI cat do the heavy lifting while you binge bad reality shows and rake in passive income. Because hey, if your content isn't making money while you sleep, why are you losing sleep making it? Final thoughts. Should you try it? If you hate video editing, love automation, need content to market, teach, entertain, or sell, want to start a faceless YouTube channel or TikTok empire, then ZebraCat AI is 100% worth test driving. Start with the free plan. Play around. And if it works, scale up and let the AI carry your content calendar. If this video made you chuckle, think, or inspired you to ditch editing software, smash that like button. And subscribe for more brutally honest tool reviews, tips for earning online, and the occasional AI-fueled sarcasm. Thinking of trying ZebraCat? Drop your first video link in the comments. Let's roast it gently, together.